As of now at Camp Wildfire. Weekend of activities on the way. Stay tuned.
What time are they coming in?
Go look at it.
Kids. Sorry, tells me I might not have this job next year. Here we are. Living with it.
How you doing? Come a little closer now, let's go. So you talk it up. You haven't said it, but you're gonna say it all.
That's the shit I love.
You're gonna let it all out. And the hope slipped down between the seats, along with the breadcrumbs, coins and keys in the phone. Folks are coming up soon. We're gonna need your help. We'll tell you what. It's not now. It's not now. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. And never tried to change, but I'm tempted.
So many activities going on at Camp Wildfire. I have been teaching axe skills, teaching them how to break down logs, make kindling, make feather sticks and also make pegs. There's so many activities going on. Bread making skills, whittling, blacksmithing, kickboxing, it just goes on. Video.
Yeah.
Right, this is the night of day 2 of Camp Wildfire, and me and Jenny went back to the tent. We had a nice little snooze for 2 hours. It is now 10 o'clock and it is vibrant out there. So we're gonna go out, video the place, and let's see what it's got to offer tonight. So stay tuned.
Crowd in the streets, expecting miracles, as he turns his pint to glass. Dawn came up. You sleep, babe.
That wardrobe malfunction, so they're
I want a picture with them. He said like so it's one.
Right, this is the Sunday morning now. Got back-to-back lessons teaching axe skills, should be fun. Jenny's going to be teaching whittling. We've got some of our team doing bread making, spear making, a hot tub set up. But I'm not going to lie, I'm really tired. But today is going to be another good day. Nearly. Spot on.
That's not on.
Camera's on you now. Right, it looks like we're coming to the end of Camp Wildfire, and I tell you what, it's been an absolutely amazing weekend. I've been running axe skills all weekend. The wife has been running whittling. We've had our team, Sam has been running spear making. We've had some of our team running the archery as well, so it's been absolutely amazing. But I'm not going to lie, I'm ready to get home, get a shower and have a good night's sleep in a bed instead of my little tent. Peace out, and like I always say, I would love it if you'd all like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube.